Excuse me, man, where are we?
Stockholm, Sweden.
It's a tiny golf course. It's confirmed. That's a tiny golf course. Okay, so we are indeed in Sweden right now, and we are trying to make our way to the central station to buy tickets to Denmark before we see the town. There's a commuter rail. What's down there? So we got our tickets to Denmark. We finally made it out of the train station, and we're now looking for the Museum des Photographes, or they would say Museet Photographique.
Photographique Museet.
Photographique Museet.
What are you eating?
This is the hot dog like the French do it. It's a hot dog and a baguette. Just gotta find the river though. Are you want me to bite into it?
Yeah, take a little bite.
It's still hot though. We found this mysterious staircase. Let's have a look. I feel like we stumbled onto some private quarters. It's not the lookout that I promised, Katie.
Huh. Need to go back down.
We gotta go back down.
We found the museum, Photographiska Museet. We're gonna look at some photos.
Just solid earth right there. No?
Lunch.
So we saw the Photographiska Museet. Now we have to go find lunch because there's about an hour of daylight left here in Sweden. Gotta climb back up this cliff. What do you want to eat? We're determined to find something to eat as we walk along these Swedish streets. We don't speak the language. Taco bar, pizzeria, how bizarre. We ate lunch and now it's dark in Sweden, so we're gonna watch a movie in that old theater.